Okay, our first lesson is HTML, basic tags. This lesson comes in 4 parts. First part, the TextEdit program setup. Second part, the basic tags that are on every web page that get put on the TextEdit program. Folders and saving a file. And last but not least, opening your first web page. The TextEdit setup. TextEdit is a very simple program, very basic. We need to put text on it. This is TextEdit is available in Mac. Go to your Applications folder, open up TextEdit. From the Edit Preferences menu choice, click on the New Document tab, okay, and at the very top, check Make Plain Text. Down below, under Options, check Smart Copy and Paste. Click over to the Open and Save menu. And at the very top, when you open a file, we want to ignore the rich text commands in HTML files. And when saving a file, delete the automatic backup file. Lastly, click the red button at the top of the menu and close out that menu tab. Lastly, back to the menu bar under the word Format, click Make Plain Text. Basic tags. Now, part 2. All web pages contain the basic tags. They are a hypertext markup language, which is the HTML tag. It's at the very top. You'll see that in a second. The head element includes the title for the document and could also include scripts, styles, meta information, and more. The title tag, very important. It's required in all HTML documents, and it defines the title of the document. The body tag. It's an element that contains all the contents of an HTML document, such as the text, hyperlinks, images, tables, lists, etc. On a tag, if there's a / before the tag, that closes the tag. And you'll see the example there, such as head and title. And we'll see that when we look at the actual web page. So, in your TextEdit, type in the following tags. Type in at the very top HTML, use the brackets which are located next to the M key. Type in head, title, and title this basic tags just like I have on the screen. After that, you close the title. That's what the / does. Below that, click close the head tag, again / head tag. Then we'll open a body tag. Place this text inside the body tag, my first web page. Close the body tag and close the HTML tag. This is how your TextEdit page should look. I'll leave this up here a second. Again, HTML, head, title. The title of our document is basic tags. Close the title, close the head, body tag. Anything within this area here, that's what we will see on the web page. Type in my first web page. Close your body tag, close the HTML. Okay, notice at the top of this, it's untitled. We haven't saved it yet. We'll do that next. Okay, folders and saving a file. Okay, now your web page is complete. We must create a folder and save it. Create a new folder, save the page into a folder, and use the proper saving format. To create a new folder, go to under TextEdit, File, Save As. Expand the menu. Sometimes the menu opens up closed. Just click the button over here at the top right. That'll expand the menu here. At the bottom, click on the New Folder button. We need to create a folder to organize our work. Okay, name the folder web-page-design- and your name. Click the Create button. Now, let me just give you some rules for naming a folder. No capital letters, no spaces, no odd characters such as the ampersand sign or brackets or quotations or anything like that. Keep the name appropriate to the folder information. So this is our web page design folder. Name it web page design. Okay, now we've created the folder. Now we need to save the file. Name the file basictags.html. You'll see that right at the top of the page. Use the underscore character which is next to the 0 key. Okay, again, there are some rules for saving. Okay. First rule is no capital letters. Second rule, no spaces. That's why I use the underscore character. Third, no odd characters again. Fourth, keep the name appropriate to the information on the file. This is our basic tags page. Name it basic tags. Throughout this course, I will give you the file names to save the assignments as. Lastly, you must include .html, as you see on the screen. It tells the browser it is a hypertext markup language file that it needs to open. Okay, now opening your first web page. Open the application Safari or any other web browser. We're going to use Safari in this class. Do File, Open File. Locate your folder. So now, when you at the left-hand side of your screen, click on Documents and click on the folder you just created in the last step called Web Page Design and the one with your name on it. Open your file. Click the basic tags.html folder file, and this is your first web page. This is what you should have in your Safari browser. Okay. My first web page. Congratulations, you've created it. Notice at the top, what you put in the title tag, basic tags, that shows up at the top of the page. You could eventually name that anything you need just to give your reader more information about what the document contains. Okay, now let's make a change to the TextEdit page. Okay, so in TextEdit, type this in. Type in "this is awesome," as I have on the screen. Now we've made a change to the page. What you need to do is save that. So go to File, Save, or use Command S. Go back to the browser, which is Safari, and click the reload arrow right at the top of the address bar, and you should have what appears on my screen. My first page, and then the "this is awesome" should appear. Okay, that is the end.